You guys might think that why I not designing this? Cause design is very simple part. The typical or main part is explaining the design. Why this color is placed there? Why this button is placed there? Why this cross button placed there? Why this is faded up? Why these laundry extras and washing machine service are bold? These are the main thing. Hey guys, welcome back to my another valuable video for the landing page design. I designed this landing page with the help of this brief. I downloaded this brief from fakeclients.com and the brief says, my name is Jarvis. I own a washing service called MCS Cleaning Service. I need a landing page to drive sales and grab more emails. My brand's primary color is red, so keep in mind and design an appealing landing page. Okay, so this is the brief and okay, so let's start and begin the process of the UI design. First of all, I downloaded this photo from pixels.com because Jarvis didn't give me any type of object or subject of the main object of service image for the landing page. So I downloaded this image from pixels.com and I opened this. So first of all, the red color is filled out by me, and from this image I cut out the man with the washing machines cause washing machine is the main thing on the landing page. So I cut out this. Now the thing is, what is this? So because the cutout is looks like so sharp because this area is not masked. So I masked this area and this area as well because washing machine is ended like here and faded like here, so I masked there. And the next thing is the copywriting. So I write that copy from ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is very important tool for our designers and also copywriters, content writers. So I wrote that copy from ChatGPT. And next is this. I give this white cause the white is the main thing. You guys might think that why I not designing this? Cause design is very simple part. The typical or main part is explaining the design. Why this color is placed there? Why this button is placed there? Why this cross button placed there? Why this is faded up? Why these laundry extras and washing machine service are bold? These are the main thing. So I am not designing, I am explaining why I did that. So, and the buttons are like when I was designing this, I already had looked many of landing pages designed for that. And what about these? These are the very main elements of the landing page. So I designed this from pen tool. This is very simple. Just grab pen tool and just convert it to shape and just go over here like this. I designed this one like so. So here you can see when you click the shape thumbnail, you can see the color change, the color picker tool. So you can change the color of the pen of this shape as well, and you can do what you want this shape as well. So I designed the shape with the help of pen tools, and the font I use is Clash Display. You can download the font from thefont.com or many sites. You can Google them. And the complete fonts are Clash Display. Some of them are bold, some of them are light, some of them are extra light, some of them are regular, but the family is Clash Display mainly. And the main thing and the last thing is this logo, because I downloaded the brief from fakeclients.com, so they didn't give any type of logo. You have to design the logo also. So I literally like simply MCS washing service. That's it. So this is the UI type of design. What do you think about it? This is a wrap up, guys. Write down your thoughts in comment section. Comment section is only for you. I need your support. Please support me. Signing off.